Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how to use FormStack. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your account. If you are new to FormStack, you need to create an account first. Here I will just log into my account, which I created for documents. Now let's move on. I will just use Google. Almost there. And here we are. So to create a document, you need to go to New Document here and press on it. First, you need to name your document template. Let's say, for example, tutorial. Press Next. Now you have three options. You can build your own template from a pre-built template which exists on your device, so you need to upload it. Or you can use from the library. There are some preset templates which are preset by a file by FormStack, and here you can build from scratch, and this is the way which requires the highest effort. For this tutorial, we are going to just use from the library which is provided by FormStack, and let's choose the type of template that we want. Let's say we want to start a contract or agreement template. So now let's press on done. And here we are. So first you have your own document builder in which you can edit all the elements of your template. So let's say I want to edit this logo because this logo does not represent me. So I will just press on this trash icon and I will upload a new image from here. Here is my logo that I uploaded before. However, if you didn't upload any icons or any images before, you can go to upload from your computer and you can select your own document. 1 second. And here is my document. Now I will choose it and press on insert selected image. Then I will scale it like that and I will position it in the middle like that. So here I have uploaded my own logo. I can also insert a header and footer from here. So let's say I want to insert a header. I will write, for example, in the content tutorial and save a header. Now you can edit on this text the way you want. All what you need to do is to just double click on it and write anything you want. So I will just delete this and make it as it was. You can also control the properties of your text, like if it's a document, an ordinary document like Word document, Microsoft Word. So you can just choose the text you want to edit. You can edit alignment. You can edit the type, whether it's heading or just normal. You can edit the font from here. You can, I will just undo, or I will just select all of it so that it will be changed all like each other, not only part of the title. So if I can change the font, I can change font size like that. I can make it bold. I can make it italic. The ordinary edits that anyone can do on Word, Microsoft Word. You can also do the same for all the text here, so you can basically edit the content of this text and the properties from here. So after you are done finishing your all properties, now let's move on to the next step, which is settings. By the way, if you want any time to just exit and continue at different time, you can just press on save document and go on, do whatever you want. Then you can come back to your document to continue editing. So now let's move on to settings. Here you can control the settings of your document. So basically you can choose the name. You can choose whether you want to save it as a PDF, as a Word, Excel, and so on and so forth. You can also change the dimensions from here, and you can change time zone and the status. Once you are done, you can press on save and next, and here it will move you to the test section, which in my point of view, it's one of the most important tabs in here, because it shows you how your document will look like, so that you would make a decision if you want to continue or you want to go back and edit on your text. So now let's test our document. You will find here multiple cells, and you may ask yourself, why do I have cells that I want to enter values in the test tab? This is simply because some of the text in, let's return to the document builder so that you will understand what I mean. Some text here will be dependent on, sorry, I did not save, so I will have to insert again my logo. This was my bad. Insert selected image, and I will scale it as I did before. I will change the alignment here, and I will change the font and the font size. Sorry. And this is, I think, is good enough. Okay, great. So what I meant is that you will see that some texts here exist between brackets. This text will be dependent on these entries. So for example, here you will find name, title. So when you insert here in the test document a name here and a title, it will appear in the signature. So these cells are basically because the text will depend on the value that you will enter. So if we pressed on test document now, here it's downloaded. I will just open it in Chrome. I think I forgot to save again, so I will not go back for the sake of this tutorial. It's just I really messed it up because I totally forgot to save. You have to save every single step you do, or it will not be carried out. So here you will see that save and tutorial that we inserted in the previous tab, in the insert tab, which showed you some multiple cells that required entry. You will find that the name and the tutorial that we inserted in the previous tab are here in the signature. That's why it asks you about entries before you can test your own document. So I will just edit the logo so that you will know that any edits performed here will appear after you save. So for the third time, it's my bad. I will just insert my logo and I will check if the changes are done. So I will scale it and I will not change the font for now. Save document. So now by going to test, this time I will leave both of these blank and I will test my document. Now I will open it in Chrome. Here is my logo changed because I didn't forget to save. So if you forgot to save, don't wait for your changes or your edits to appear in the test tab. And now since we left the name and the tutorial empty, you will find that both of them here are empty and they are not placed in the signature. So this is basically how it works. Now, moving on to the next tab, which is deliver. Here you can decide how you want to send your own document. So you can create here a delivery method. You can send by email. You can send by many other options like Google Drive, for example, Pipedrive, Share File, SharePoint, and so on and so forth. You have many options here and it's up to you. And if, for example, we chose email, you will find here that you have the option to send email to a specific person, and it will also ask you about the subject and the message so that it will be like an ordinary email sent. So next and the final step is the merge, which shows you the ability to collaborate with other third parties. So here you can integrate and automate, you can upload data from your own device, and you can manually enter data. So this is basically how it works, and that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.